So hello guys, dito kami ngayon sa doktor kasi may appointment yung banana ko sa doktor. So while waiting, after magko-coffee kami, catching with friends. So punta kami sa chemist. Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going for coffee with friends. So we're going to, this is the place. Gosh, yung daanan is very narrow. So, ang liit-liit lang. Parang Pilipinas din. So, may nag-work dyan. So, dito kami dadaan. Here in town, in the other side. Sa town kami magko-coffee. So may and then there's a Roxy Cinema Hotel there. And then may nag-work widening doon na lang hotel. So we're going to Tea Club. So we're here. Good morning guys, dito ako ngayon sa coffee shop. Magko-coffee tayo. Kasama yung mga friends ko, pero mahiya sila sa camera, so ako lang muna. Yun ang place. Yan ang main entrance there. May mga tao, so ang daming choices guys. So yan, kung anong kukunin nyo. So may cupcake. So this is the food for this morning guys. Ang daming dahon tayo for our own health. So sa amin coffee lang.
It's going to be weird because I don't go out very often. Like, this is the first time I come out. I think the second time since like when we went away.
So ito guys, smoothie lang tayo for breakfast. At saka may muffin tayo.
When they explode it, it was faulty. They didn't work and sometimes they did. It was because of a little explosive bit that used.
Ililibot ko kayo later.
It didn't work when you needed it.
May ibang table doon, so wala ng tao.
There was a few cars.
So ito yung place guys. Tea Club. So yan sila. So ikot ko kayo.
I don't like running.
So ang ganda ng welcome to our garden. So ang ganda talaga ng place. So umuulan ngayon. So hindi masyadong. So may upuan dito. Saka dito din. So ang ganda ng lugar. Environment friendly. Tea Club. So pwede tayong upo kahit saan-saan dito. So at the moment, wala masyadong tao dahil umuulan nga sa labas. Yan. There's a nice space. There you go. So may magandang area dito sa Tea Club. So malapit lang to sa town. So it is very beautiful place. So you come and have a morning tea or lots of breakfast. yan guys, ang ganda-ganda ng place. So, pumunta kayo dito. Ang ganda ng ambience, ang daming flowers. So, parang ang ganda talaga ng environment dito. At saka maganda yung pagkain nila. Recommended talaga. So, yan. So, we're going home now. Thank you. Uwi na. So, let's go home.
Kung paano si Shane?
So, yan guys. So, hello guys. Andito ako sa chemist. Naghanap tayo ng sale. So, let's go. Vitamin C and minerals. Need to wear ng mask for our own safety. So, my face mask 2 for $70. Like $3. Those guys, $2. Sanctionable. Children's for children, do you? $2. Vitamin C. Ginkgo biloba. What's that? There's a shop. Window shopping.